Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today I'm going to take you on a quick but fascinating journey into the world of cells. Whether you're new to cell biology or just need a refresher, this 3-minute adventure is perfect for you. Let's start with the basics. All cells share 3 common components: the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, and the DNA. Think of the cell membrane as the security gate separating the inside of the cell from the outside world. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like fluid filling the cell, kind of like the broth in a soup. And DNA, that's the genetic blueprint that makes you you. Now, there are 2 main types of cells, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Eukaryotic cells are like the VIPs of the cell world. They have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Examples: plant and animal cells. Prokaryotic cells, on the other hand, are simpler. They don't have a nucleus or membrane-bound organelles, and they're always unicellular like bacteria. Let's dive deeper into eukaryotic cells. Inside these complex cells, you'll find several key organelles. First up, the nucleus. It's the command center housing DNA. DNA here exists as chromatin and condenses into chromosomes during cell division. Within the nucleus, the nucleolus is where ribosomes are made. Speaking of ribosomes, they are the protein factories of the cell, either floating freely or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER. The ER is like the cell's highway system. Rough ER has ribosomes attached, making it look, well, rough. Smooth ER, meanwhile, is ribosome-free. Next, we have the Golgi apparatus, or Golgi body. It's the cell's post office, processing and packaging proteins from the ER into their final forms. Then there are vacuoles, sac-like structures for storage. In plant cells, the central vacuole stores water, making it huge. Animal cells have lysosomes containing enzymes to break down waste and damaged parts. And let's not forget the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, producing energy through respiration. The cytoskeleton provides shape and support, made of microfilaments and microtubules. Plant cells boast chloroplasts containing chlorophyll for photosynthesis. They also have a cell wall offering structural support and protection. Some animal cells have cilia or flagella for movement. Cilia are hair-like projections, while flagella are whip-like tails, like in sperm cells. And that's a wrap on our quick dive into the world of cells. Whether it's the complex eukaryotic cells or the simpler prokaryotic ones, each one is a marvel of nature. I hope you enjoyed this journey and learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more science adventures. Until next time, stay curious.